Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting to all of us, so that we can meet via online at an international seminar. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Permatawidya. I'm from Muhammadiyah University of Purwokerto and elementary school teacher education. On this occasion through video, I will present my article about development of interactive ebook based on Radek model using the Hazen Flipbook application in the photosynthesis material for Get Forsted Elementary School of Tambaksari. The first, I will explain abstract. At the moment, education focus on learning to take advantage of technology through the use of teaching material. The aim of this study was to develop an interactive ebook teaching material using the Radek model based with the Hazen Flipbook application on photosynthesis material for 4th grade students. Analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation (ADI) is used as the research model. Form of a validation questionnaire is used as the main instrument of data collection to provide an assessment of the feasibility of the product as well as a response questionnaire from student and teacher to provide an assessment of the practicality of the product. The result, carried off by the material, media, and language expert validator, show that interactive ebook teaching material based on the Radek model with the Hazen Flipbook application on photosynthesis material are valid and appropriate for use by grade 4 students. Based on the response of teacher and student, the interactive ebook was considered very good and very interesting for learning about photosynthesis. Next, introduction. The educational paradigm of 21st century emphasizes learning in critical skill, mastery of information technology, communication, and collaboration. 21st century school standard, also known as the digital century, demand the digital technology be integrated to all activities and aspects of life. The use of technology in teaching and learning activity can be optimized through of use teaching material. However, the demand of digitalization in 21st century education have not been fully implemented by school. Based on the finding of the literature, it shows that the teaching material used have a number of drawbacks such as text-oriented, books that are too heavy and thick, and easily damaged because they are print-based. Based on this problem, the researcher created an interactive ebook using the Radek syntax for 4th grade students. The Radek model has the advantage of an easy-to-understand syntax. The steps of this model are the name implies are read, respond, discussion, explain, and create. Next, research and methodology. The research was carried out using a methodology in the form of research and development (R&D), while the ADI model is the development research methodology used. According to Branch, the ADI model consists of 5 phases for product development. The 5 development paths include analyzing, designing, developing, implementation, and evaluating. In the research conducted, the necessary data were collected using the research instrument, namely by using a student and teacher response questionnaire as well as express validation sheet. Next, result and discussion. The first, analysis. Researchers conducted an analysis of the needs and potential of a problem faced by 4 grade students at State Elementary School of Tambaksari. Number 2, design. The research decided that a product needs to be developed in a form of an interactive ebook teaching. Research based on the Radek model with the Hexin Flipbook application, then the research create a product. 3. Development. The framework generated during the design stage is used to develop an interactive ebook teaching material at this stage. The following is the result of development of interactive ebook based on the Radek model. Then, material expert, media expert, and linguistic assess interactive ebook teaching material to provide an assessment of the product. Get a percentage of 98% in the very valid category from material expert validator. Get a percentage of 84% in the very valid category from linguistic validators. Get a percentage of 86% in the very valid category from media expert validator. Number 4, implementation. As many as 20 grade 4 Negeri Tambaksari tested interactive ebook teaching material at the implementation stage. In the process of carrying out learning carried out with the Radek, read, answer, discussion, evaluation, and grade model with preliminary activity, the core of learning, and closing. And number 5, evaluation. In the AD model, evaluation is the final stage. The percentage obtained was 92%, so that is what include the very interesting category. In addition, the teacher response to the development of interactive ebook was state quite well. This is evidenced by the assessment of the teacher response questionnaire obtaining a score of 50 with an average number of 5 and a percentage of 100%. So that based on the result of assessment is included in the very good category. And then conclusion. Teaching material developed get very valid criteria and get student and teacher respond in very good category. And thank you for your listening. My all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Then wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.